Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start studying data science step by step. First, build a strong foundation in mathematics, especially statistics and linear algebra. Next, choose a programming language like Python or R and become proficient. These languages are crucial for data manipulation and analysis. Finally, get comfortable with data structures and basic algorithms to prepare for more complex tasks. Once you have the basics, dive into practical tools. Learn data visualization to effectively communicate findings, using libraries like Matplotlib or ggplot2. Then, explore machine learning algorithms, understanding their principles and how to apply them. Hands-on practice with real datasets on platforms like Kaggle is essential for solidifying your understanding and building practical experience. To truly stand out, start building a portfolio. Create personal projects from scratch, demonstrating your problem-solving abilities and technical skills. Consider contributing to open-source data science projects to gain collaborative experience. Actively network with other data professionals. Attending meetups or online forums can open doors to new opportunities and insights. Data science is an evolving field, so continuous learning is key. Stay updated on new technologies, tools, and research papers to remain competitive. Pursue specialized certifications or even advanced degrees if they align with your career goals. Remember, investing in your knowledge is always worthwhile. Also, check the description for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.